To create an opportunity where a patient can change their life, they can function better, they can look better, they can feel better, that's probably the most powerful thing that we see as surgeons, as doctors. See our patients go home and smile and experience life in a better way that they hadn't before. And then we can provide that to them, and sometimes they've told they can't have that, and we can give that back to them.
There's a huge problem in our society with people being afraid of the dentist. Everybody has a story to tell. We are here to listen and to provide our services in a no-judgment environment. So we are here for you, and we want our patients to feel at ease and know that everything that we are doing as oral and maxillofacial surgeons is for their benefit.
The doctors here are very professional, very personable, and I really feel like they go the extra mile to make sure that the patient feels cared for, that all of their questions are answered prior to any procedures. They really just go the extra step to make sure that the patient feels cared for.
Having a patient feel comfortable, you're able to guide them through the entire procedure from the beginning and to completion. I think it's important to be a part of the group that we're in. It makes us unique, makes us have the ability to cover a greater range of procedures in order to make sure that procedures are done correctly, collaboratively, and pain-free.
The collaboration amongst the doctors definitely shows that these doctors are committed to working hard and working diligently in order to make sure that their procedures and the way they go about things are up to speed and up to the current technology.
The technology that was being developed 2 decades ago was in its infancy. Now it's become sort of a standard that we can use with all of our procedures. Full arch reconstruction, giving people their teeth back, using CAT scan imagery and technology, and also using that as planning, working with our restorative dentists to plan their final teeth from the teeth beginning, then to the surgery after that.
The technology that we've integrated into the practice has significantly improved the patient experience. With this new technology, there's less downtime. People are able to go back to work the next day and have results that they're looking for.
The fact that we can bring somebody who never smiled to a point where they come in 2 or 3 weeks post-operatively with their new smile, they're wearing makeup, they just went out and bought a new wardrobe, they had their hair done. They're completely transformed from someone who was not happy to be in public to now someone who is excited to go out in public and interact with people and show off their wonderful new smile.
1,000%, no doubt. Best decision I ever made. The smartest thing I ever did is to listen to him and believe that he could do what he said he could do. It is amazing how much I have turned around in the last 5 years since the operation. Compare that to the previous 7 years before the operation. I was on my way out.
We are a dedicated team of oral and maxillofacial surgeons who have spent years in training. We have spent years in continuing education. Our intention is to provide service to you in a pain-free environment. We want to make sure that you have a safe and pleasurable experience with any surgical procedure that you're undergoing.